Mica powder is a crushed, pulverized, shiny powder that is made from mica, and it is used in all kinds of crafts. It's actually used all over our world. Anytime you have something sparkly or shimmery, likely there's mica powder involved in it. It's what makes the pearlescent or metallic appearance in all sorts of makeup. It's pretty much what makes everything sparkly or metallic is going to be mica, a mica pigment. Mica powder is available in craft stores and online. It's wonderful stuff. It's very sparkly. It comes in lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different colors. And it's a wonderful thing to use with polymer clay. These earrings were all made by applying mica powder to the surface of polymer clay to create a design. Now, the question is, do you apply it to raw clay or do you apply it after the clay is baked? Well, when you apply it to raw clay, now raw polymer clay is a little bit sticky, and when you apply mica powder, and I like to use a brush to apply mica powder. I use a really fine brush if I need to be if I need to be very accurate with my application, or I can use a fluffy brush if I'm wanting to just put it all over the surface. And when you apply it, you can see how it's turning quite brilliant. It sticks to the polymer clay, and if you rub it with the brush or with your finger, you will burnish it and make it even more shiny and metallic. Here, let me show you what that looks like. You see that? So you get the same effect if you apply it to baked clay. Here's a piece of identical clay that's been baked. I'm going to take the same mica powder and the same brush, and I'm going to just apply it all over the surface. And at first you'd think, oh yeah, it's gonna work. You pour it on, you fluff it in there, you spread it around. But then when you try to burnish it, it comes right off. So it doesn't stick. A little bit stays behind, but it just makes a mess. It doesn't stay attached to it. Okay, so if you are adding mica powder to the surface of polymer clay, you need to apply it to unbaked polymer clay. Hope this was helpful.